Welcome to Best Pick.
Top 7 Best of Dyson Vacuum Cleaner in 2025. Cordless and Cord Vacuum Cleaner. Reviews and Buying Guide.
Top 1.
Dyson V11 Origin Cordless Vacuum. About this item. Versatile and cordless for whole home deep cleaning. 60% more power. Superscript 1 up to 60 minutes of runtime. Superscript 2. 3 power modes. Auto mode for everyday cleaning tasks, the optimal balance of power and runtime to preserve the lifespan of your battery. Eco mode for maximum runtime. Boost mode for intensive spot cleaning. LCD screen shows power modes, maintenance alerts, and remaining runtime to the second. Motor bar cleaner head deep cleans all floor types. Detangles wrapped long hair and pet hair as you clean. Converts to a handheld vacuum for cleaning cars, stairs, and upholstery. The hair screw tool sucks up long hair and pet hair. Fast. Its anti-tangle conical brush bar removes long hair and pet hair from pet beds, car seats, stairs, and more. Comes with 4 Dyson engineered accessories to clean up high, down low, and everywhere in between. Advanced whole machine filtration traps 99.99% of particles as small as 0.3 microns. Superscript 3 expels cleaner air. Made from strong materials selected for their durability and lightweight properties. With a 2-year warranty and lifetime Dyson support. Register your machine on the My Dyson app for personalized machine guides, maintenance and support.
Top 2.
Dyson Ball Animal Total Clean Upright Vacuum. About this item. The Dyson Ball Animal Total Clean has the strongest suction of any vacuum. Superscript 1. Ball technology helps you navigate around obstacles with a simple turn of the wrist. For easy, precise maneuvering around your home. The self-adjusting cleaner head has an active base plate that automatically raises and lowers to seal in suction across all floors. Combined with a powerful motorized brush bar, it deep cleans throughout the home. Engineered for larger homes with pets. 8 Dyson engineered accessories include the tangle-free turbine tool, combination tool, multi-angle brush, stair tool, reach under tool, carbon fiber soft dusting brush, mattress tool, and tool bag. Advanced whole machine filtration ensures that allergens are trapped inside the machine, not expelled back into the home. Pioneering radial root cyclone technology increases suction and helps remove dirt and allergens from your home. 5 years warranty and lifetime Dyson customer support. Register your machine on the My Dyson app for personalized machine guides, maintenance and support.
Top 3.
Dyson V15S Detect Submarine Wet Dry Vacuum. About this item. Dyson Deep Cleaning Power now washes hard floors. All in one machine. Advanced Dyson vacuum technology provides 100% more power. Superscript 1 and up to 60 minutes of runtime. Superscript 2. Fluffy optic cleaner head reveals 2x more hidden dust on hard floors. Superscript 3 Digital motor bar cleaner head deep cleans all floor types and detangles hair. Submarine cleaner head washes hard floors and removes the wet and dry debris simultaneously. The Submarine cleaner head's motorized wet roller picks up liquids, debris and tough stains, which are continuously extracted from the roller with each rotation. Washes with clean water from start to finish. Compatible with gentle, common floor detergents when used in accordance with usage guidance. The Submarine cleaner head covers over 1,000 square foot with the 300 ml water tank. The full-width brush bar cleans edge to edge, maneuvers easily around obstacles and reaches low under furniture. While dry vacuuming, the Dyson V15S Detect intelligently adapts suction based on debris and floor type detected. LCD screen shows total picked up particles on screen as you clean, displays power mode, maintenance alerts, and remaining runtime.
Top 4.
Dyson V15 Detect Cordless Vacuum Cleaner, Multicolor. Dyson DLS technology, washable filter, laser illumination, cordless, engineered for homes with pets, 2 advanced cleaner heads, LCD screen display. Dyson DLS technology, washable filter, laser illumination, cordless, engineered for homes with pets, 2 advanced cleaner heads, LCD screen display. Filter type HEPA filter. Included components: anti-tangle hair screw tool, detangling digital motor bar trademark cleaner head, combination tool, stubborn dirt brush, mini soft dusting brush, docking station, wand clip, charger, laser slim fluffy trademark cleaner head, crevice tool, Dyson V15 detect vacuum cleaner anti-tangle hair screw tool, detangling digital motor bar trademark cleaner head, combination tool, stubborn dirt brush, mini soft dusting brush, docking station, wand clip, charger, laser sleeve. See more. Anti-tangle hair screw tool, detangling digital motor bar trademark cleaner head, combination tool, stubborn dirt brush, mini soft dusting brush, docking station, wand clip, charger, laser slim fluffy trademark cleaner head, crevice tool, Dyson V15 detect vacuum cleaner. About this item: the most powerful intelligent cordless vacuum point superscript 1 with laser illumination. The most powerful, intelligent cordless vacuum with a laser that reveals microscopic dust.
Top 5.
Dyson V15 detect cordless vacuum cleaner. About this item: powerful and intelligent for whole home deep cleaning. Reveals invisible dust. 100% more power point superscript 1 up to 60 minutes of runtime point superscript 2. Power trigger helps maximize energy efficiency, only using power where you need it. Intelligently adapts power based on debris detected and floor type. LCD screen shows total picked up particles on screen as you clean. Point superscript 3 also displays power mode, maintenance alerts, and remaining runtime to the second. 2 advanced cleaner heads. The fluffy optic cleaner head reveals invisible dust. Gentle on hard floors but tough on dirt. The digital motor bar cleaner head deep cleans all floor types and detangles long hair and pet hair as you clean. Converts to a handheld vacuum for cleaning cars, stairs, and upholstery. The hair screw tool sucks up long hair and pet hair fast. Its anti-tangle conical brush bar removes long hair and pet hair from pet beds, car seats, stairs, and more.
Top 6.
Dyson Ball Animal 2 Total Clean Upright Vacuum Cleaner. About this item: strongest suction of any vacuum, superscript 1 extra tools for a total cleaning solution. Self-adjusting cleaner head seals in suction. Cleans up high and under furniture, removes pet hair without tangling. 6 extra tools and a tool storage bag, fiber soft dusting brush and radial root cyclone technology.
Top 7.
Dyson Ball Animal 2 Upright Cord Vacuum Cleaner, HEPA filter, height adjustment, self-adjusting cleaner head, telescopic handle, rotating brushes, Fuchsia. About this item: Dyson Ball Multi-Floor Origin High Performance HEPA Filter Upright Vacuum Fuchsia, cord.
Check out the description link for more information. Thanks for watching. Please like and share, don't forget to subscribe.